Okay, now next one, Alan Joshua. Alan Joshua, I want you to unmute. Okay, Alan. Yes. Okay, now Alan, what is another name for another word for nouns?
Noun. Name.
No, I'm not
Name.
asking you. Yes, very good. We got that answer. What is a noun? A noun is a name of a person, place, animal, or thing. I'm asking you, what is another word that is used in that is?
Breaking.
What is the other word instead of noun? Noun is also called as something else. What is it?
Comment now. Naming word.
Very good, very good.
Naming
Noun is
word.
also called
This
as
is
naming word.
Dikshita.
Very good, Dikshita. Okay. Now, today we are going to start with the next lesson. Okay. It is called as pronouns. Okay. The next lesson, unit 2. This is called as pronouns. Okay. I have written a few sentences here. I will read all the 3 sentences and then I will ask you a question. Okay. Now, the first sentence, Sita is 6 years old. Sita is in first standard. Sita lives in Bengaluru. Okay. Now here, what do you see here? I'm using the girl's name Sita in all the 3 sentences, right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
now, first sentence, I'm introducing
Yes,
the child
ma'am.
here. What is the girl's name? The girl's name is Sita. Right? In the second sentence, instead of writing Sita, which is the other word that I can use instead of Sita? She. Very good. Yes. Okay, so instead of Sita, I can use the word she. Even here, yes, very good. Yes, very good. Okay. Now, even in the third sentence also, instead of Sita, I can use the word she. So what am I doing here? First sentence, I'm going to just introduce about whom I'm going to talk. Okay. And then from the second sentence, when I'm referring to the same person, I'm going to use another word like she. In this sentences, I'm using she because it's a girl. If it was a boy, I would have used he. Okay. So what is a pronoun? A pronoun is nothing but a word that is used instead of a noun. Okay, so here you know that Sita is a noun, right? And here, instead of using Sita, the word that I'm using is she. So she becomes a pronoun here. Okay, so any word that is used instead of a noun is called as a pronoun. Other examples of pronouns are he, they, we. Okay, all these are all called as pronouns. Okay, them, all these are all called as pronouns. Okay, now take your reader. Okay, take your grammar books. Okay, and turn your book to page number 22. Okay, take your grammar books and turn your book to page number 22. Okay, unit 2, pronouns. Okay, now I'll read the passage over here. Okay, just keep your finger and follow what I'm reading. Read the following passage. Neeta went to the zoo with Neeta's parents and Neeta's brother.
Page number what, ma'am?
Page number 22. Everyone's turned your book to page number 22. Just show a thumbs up if you've done. Yes. Okay. Yes. Very good. Okay. Now I'm going to start from the beginning. Please do not unmute yourself. Take your grammar book, turn your book to page number 22 and follow what I'm reading. Keep your finger as I read. Okay, so Neeta went to the zoo with Neeta's parents and Neeta's brother. Nita was excited to see many animals and beautiful birds in the zoo. Nita told Nita's father that Nita wanted to take a ride on the elephant's back. Nita's brother was frightened of elephants. Nita laughed at Nita's brother and said that the elephant liked giving rides to children. Okay, so here in this passage, what do you see here? The word, the child's name, Nita, has been used so many times, right? Okay, they are saying, first they're introducing what is that girl's name? It is Nita. After that, when they're referring to her mother, they are saying Nita's mother. Nita's parents. Okay, Nita's parents, then Nita's
brother,
then Nita's father. Right? Can you see, do you see that Nita's name has been repeated so many times here? So instead of using Nita over here, what word can you use?
She.
No, it's not just she, you have to use the appropriate pronoun. Very good, very good.
She, ma'am.
It's not she. You have to read the sentence and understand. Okay, so here it says Nita went to the zoo with, you will,
Ma'am. This is Dikshita.
her. Very good, very good, very good. Here, instead of Nita's, you will use her. It's not her, it is her. Okay, so Nita went to the zoo with her parents. Okay, instead of saying Nita's parents, you will say her parents and her brother. Okay, so Nita went to the zoo with her parents and her brother. Nita was excited to see many animals and beautiful birds in the zoo. Nita told Nita's father, instead of saying Nita's father, what will you use? Nita told, again you will use her father. Okay, so again, yes, you will use her father. Okay, Nita told her father that here instead of this Nita, you're going to use she. Okay, so Nita told her father that she wanted to take a ride on the elephant's back. Okay, and then the last second line, Nita's brother was frightened. Instead of saying Nita's brother, again you will say her brother. Okay, so her brother was frightened of elephants. Nita laughed at Nita's brother. So here you will use she laughed at Nita's brother and said that the elephant liked giving rides to children. Okay, so do you all understand? What are you doing here? The words that you're using here, like her, she, okay, like these words, her, she, him, all these and all are called as pronouns. Pronouns are nothing but the words that are used instead of a noun. Okay, so what is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word that is used instead of a noun. Okay?
Noun, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, so what is a pronoun? What is a pronoun? It is a word that is used.
Word that is used.
What does this use, ma'am?
Of a noun. Okay, please kindly do not unmute. Okay. So what is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word that is used instead of a noun. Example are she, her, he, him, they, we, etc. All these are all called as pronouns. So just remember, if somebody asks you what is a pronoun is a word that is used instead of a noun. If it is an animal or a thing, you will use the word it. Okay, it is also a pronoun. Is that clear? Just show a thumbs up. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now we will see. Now the same paragraph that was given here saying Neeta's parents or Neeta's brother, here they have changed. They have made the necessary changes. Okay. Now turn your book to page number 23 to the next page. Okay. Now keep your finger on that word as I read. Okay. Neeta went to the zoo with her parents. Like I told you, instead of saying Neeta's parents, you will use the pronoun her. Okay. With her parents and her brother. She was excited to see many animals and beautiful birds in the zoo. Then again, instead of saying Neeta told Neeta's father, they have said she told her father that she wanted to take a ride on the elephant's back. Her brother was frightened of elephants. Neeta laughed at her brother and said that the elephant liked giving rides to the children. Okay, so like I told you, you will find that the words in red are used in place of Neeta. So instead of saying Neeta's father, Neeta's parents, they are using her or she. Okay, they're using her or she in this paragraph. So these are called as pronouns. Okay, so all pronouns are words that are used in place of nouns in a sentence. Okay, the examples of pronouns are he, she, it, they, we, I, you, yours, their, her, his, hers, him, ours, theirs, and its. Okay, all these words are called as pronouns. They are used instead of a noun. Okay, now shall we do the first worksheet? Okay, keep your pencils handy. For worksheet 1, read the following sentences and underline the pronouns. Okay, first sentence, Seema is a good singer. She takes part in many programs. So which is the pronoun here?
She, ma'am.
She. Very good. Very good. Underline the word she.
She, ma'am.
Yes, very good. It is she. In the first sentence, underline she. Okay, underline she. Yes, very good, Varun. Okay. Now, second sentence, the lion has a fierce appearance. It is the king of the jungle. So, which is the pronoun here? It. Very good. It is it. Yes, underline it. Underline it. Yes, it is the right answer. Underline it. Okay, next, third one. Many visitors come to this city. They like to see all the famous monuments here. So, which is the pronoun here? They. Very good. Instead of visitors, you have used they. Right. Underline they. Underline they. They. The second sentence you will find. Okay. Next, fourth one. Neeta was talking to her friends in the afternoon. They had finished their homework. Very good. They, and there is one more in that. They is one. They and their. Okay. The same sentence you have. They have finished their homework. So both the words are pronouns. Okay. Next, fifth one. Next, fifth sentence. Okay, fifth sentence. Mother bought a new car last month. She likes it very much. So which is the pronoun used here? Very good. Is she. Underline. Yes, underline she. Yes, Aldrin. Very good. Underline she. Okay, next, sixth one. Naman wants to learn swimming. His father has promised to teach him.
Yes, ma'am. His ma'am.
His, very good. His,
Yes, ma'am.
him, very good. And yes, yes, his and him. Okay, both are the pronouns used in this sentence. Okay, now next, seventh one. I go to the market. I go to the market every Sunday with my parents. We buy all the things we need. So which are the pronouns used here? It is?
Ma'am.
No, see, always remember in the first 1 minute, just pay attention. In the first sentence, when we use the word I, it means I'm showing about whom we are talking, or the sentence shows about whom it refers to. Okay, so you will not underline I in the first sentence. Instead, in the second sentence, you will find out the pronouns, which is we. Okay, it is not I, it is only we. In the second part of the sentence, you have two V's there. Okay, so you will underline both the V. W-E-V. Okay, underline both the V's. Okay, next, eighth one. The children were noisy, so the teacher scolded them. So which is the pronoun here?
Them.
Them, very good. Very good. Them, underline. Yes, underline them. Underline them. T-H-E-M, them. You have to underline. That's the last word in that sentence. Okay. Next one, ninth one. When are you going to visit your cousins?
Andrew.
Very good. Yes, it is Y-O-U-R. Your. Underline the word your. It is not you, it is your. Y-O-U-R. Your.
Your money.
Okay, Y-O-U-R. Your. Okay, hope all of you all have finished. Everyone has underlined the pronouns in the first part of the worksheet. Yes, very good. Okay. I'm going to erase the board now. Okay, now turn your book to page number 24.
Nikhil finished, ma'am.
Yes, very good, Nikhil. Okay, now turn your book. Page number 24. Fill in the blanks with the right pronoun from the brackets. First one, the ship is very big. Okay, so here they are going to talk about the ship. It or he looks majestic. Which pronoun will you use? Is it it or he?
It.
It. Very good. Yes, very good. In the blank over there, write down capital I-T. Please use a capital letter. It's the beginning of a sentence.
Capital I.
Okay, capital I.
Ida. Ida.
Capital I-T. Okay.
It is Melvin.
Okay. Now next one, second one. The men are unhappy. Yeah, very good. They have lost dash T. Is it his or their? First part, yes, the first part it is they. You have the second dash over here. Over here, will you use his or their? Their, very good. Yes, and the second dash, write T-H-E-I. Okay, write down the first dash, capital T-H-E, they, and in the second dash, T-H-E-I-R. There. Okay, the men are unhappy. They have lost their sheep. Okay.
Now he is laughing.
Second dash is T-H-E-I-R. There.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hmm.
Next one, third sentence. Veena is laughing. Dash is happy. Is it he or she?
Yeah.
She, ma'am.
She. Very good. Right. Capital S-H-E. She.
With
Capital
spelling.
S-H-E. She.
இது பாரு ரெட் கலர்ல இருக்குது.
Our school.
Capital S-H-E. She.
U,
Okay.
W.
Next, fourth one. Dash like our school. Okay. Will you use we or she?
V, ma'am.
Yes, it is we.
V, ma'am.
Yes, right. Capital W-E. We. Write down capital W-E. We. Capital W-E. We. Okay, next, fifth one. Father is proud of dash car. Is it her or his? Very good. His. H-I-S. His. Write
Big
down
வச்சுன்னு
H-I-S. His. H-I-S. His. Father is proud of his car. Okay, next sixth one. Grandmother enjoys dash morning walk. Is it his or her? Which is right? Is it his or her? Her. Very good. Because it's a female. So you will use the pronoun her. Grandmother enjoys her morning walk. Okay, all of you all have written? If you have finished, just show a thumbs up. Yes, very good.
Yes,
Very good, Charvi. Very good, Sonu. Very good, Arun. Aaron Dion also is finished. Very good. Andrew is done.
Ma'am, Dikshit also finished, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Dikshita is done. Varun is done. Riya is done. Tanishka is also done. S. Bhattacharya is also done.
Ma'am.
Andrew is
Nikhil is
done.
also
Pranав
done,
done.
ma'am.
Yes, very good. Very good. Okay, now shall we do the next worksheet? Okay, we'll work out the next worksheet. Shall I erase the board here, children? Okay. Now moving on to worksheet 3. Okay, worksheet 3, fill in the blanks with the right pronouns. In the previous one, they gave you the choice here. You have to choose the correct one on your own. Okay, you have to use the suitable one for it. Okay, now first one, mother is baking a cake. Dash smells delicious. Which pronoun will you use?
It's ma'am.
Very good, very good. It is it because you're talking about the cake. Okay, so mother is baking a cake. It smells delicious. Yes, very good. Write on IT, capital IT in the blank. Capital IT. Okay, it smells delicious. Okay, next, second sentence. Mary is fond of gardening. Dash has many rare plants. So first part of it will finish first. So Dash has many rare plants. She, very good. The first part right. She has many rare plants in Dash garden. Yes, in her garden. In her garden. Very good. Very good. Okay. So the second sentence is Mary is fond of gardening. She has many rare plants in her garden. Okay. Now next third sentence. Next third sentence. Uncle writes stories for children. Dash stories are very interesting.
Ma'am.
No, you're talking about uncle. Okay, so it will be his. Yes, capital H-I-S. Capital H. Write down
Capital H,
capital
Naina.
H-I-S. His.
There, ma'am. Answer, ma'am.
Yes, very good.
ನೀನು
Okay,
ಕೇಳ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಮಿಸ್ ಪಾಕಂದ್ರ
okay. Uncle writes stories for children. His stories are very interesting. Next, fourth sentence. The children went to the park. Dash met many people there. So what is the answer? Which pronoun will you use?
Ma'am, there, ma'am.
A. Very good. Very good. Write down capital T-H-E. They. Write down capital T-H-E. They. Okay, capital T-H-E. They. Okay. The children went to the park. They met many people there. Okay, next, fifth one. We must take care of dash things. We must take care of our. Very good. Yes, O-U-R. We must take care of our things. Yes, write down O-U-R. We must take care of our things. Okay. Next, sixth one. Have dash finished your work? Have. Very good. It is you. Write down Y-O-U. Have you finished your work? Yes. Okay, next one, seventh one. The boys sang well and the teacher praised. Which pronoun will you use here? The boys sang well and the teacher praised them. Very good. Them. Right. T-H-E-M. Them. Okay, we're talking about the boys here. So the boys sang well and the teacher praised them. T-H-E-M. Them. Okay. Next one. Eighth one. Okay, eighth one. Neeta and Naman go to the market with dash parents. With yes, right. T-H-E-I-R. With their parents, not T-H-E-R-E. It should be T-H-E-I-R. Okay, with their parents. T-H-E-I-R. Their parents. Okay. Next, ninth one. Tina received many gifts on dash birthday. On
Ma'am.
very good. On her birthday. Yes, it's not her, it is her. Okay. On her birthday. Yes, very good. Okay. Now next, the last sentence here. Harry and Seema went up the mountains to look for dash dog which was missing. To look for their dog. Very good. Right down. T-H-E-I-R. To look for their dog. Okay, write down T-H-E-I-R. There. Okay, T-H-E-I-R. Very good, Nikhil. Okay, all of y'all have finished this. Okay, if you finish, just show a thumbs up, please.
Finished, ma'am.
Yes, very good, very good. Yes. Okay.
Alright,
Now in
finished,
today's
ma'am.
class, yes, yes, very good,
Dikshita finished, ma'am.
very good, Dikshita.
Finished,
Okay,
ma'am.
very good. Okay, now I'm going to take the attendance. I'm going to take the
Ma'am,
attendance. Please maintain silence. Okay, now
finish,
before-
ma'am.
Yes, very good. I got it that you finished now. Just listen. Okay, so in today's class, you learned about pronouns. You know what is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word that is used instead of a noun. Okay, and a few examples of pronouns are it, she, her, him, they, we, are, all. These are all called as pronouns. Okay, children. Okay, remember this. Tomorrow's class, I will be asking you what it is. Okay, now I'm going to take the attendance.